Wow, this is a great lot. I can't wait to get started. Hi guys, it's Deborah from Timeless Jewel by Deborah. So, I got a ThredUP 15-piece box. This one came to me 12/1 of 2023 from Osowani, Georgia. Alright, so if you're new here, welcome. I'm Deborah from Timeless Jewel by Deborah. I do jewelry unboxings, live sales, how-to videos. I'll be doing some eBay videos as well. I do live jewelry sales. I do a little bit of everything. So welcome. So very nice to have you here. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and hit that thumbs up. It really does help, and it's free. All right, so this is Osowani, Georgia. 15-piece jewelry. Let's see when I ordered it. This came, I ordered it November 20th. Air pillows, always a plus. All right. So let's go ahead and, I try to save the paper, but sometimes you just can't. Okay. So we're supposed to get 15 pieces. So we've got individual baggies here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that means these should have multiples. Just making sure there's nothing in the bottom. Let me go ahead and get that out of the way without knocking you guys around. Alright, so I'm going to bring you guys down. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Can't get it. 4, 5, 6. I love to save these bags. A little ASMR here. Okay, I think I said 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. So what I'll do is I'll give you guys prices. I lay everything out. I'll get you prices, and then I will have a green screen at the end, and that will give you all the ordering instructions. And I do keep a sold list. All right, this is just one piece. Oh, nope, it's 2 pieces. Okay, it's taped in there. You always got to check the bottom of the bag. You never know, right? So that'll give you ordering instructions. There will be a sold list. I will update it in the morning if this is seen at night. And we got some rings. Those usually count as one. All right, so I'm going to take everything out, lay everything out, give you measurements and prices, and then we will go from there. I will see you guys in 1 second. All right, so our very first piece is so cute. This is Bella and Jack. Comes in this really pretty floral box. It is a heavy statement necklace. I love it. So this feels like a stained glass, but it's an acrylic. And then you have rhinestones, and it has a very heavy chain. It's brand new in the box. It measures anywhere from 18 to 20 inches. So for this Bella and Jack, we can do, let's do 14. All right. Love this. This is beautiful. Go ahead and lay this out, get it untangled. So at first I thought it was made well. I do not believe it is. There's no markings. It is beautiful. So we've got this tealy green, I would guess more of a green, really fun chain to clasp. So I wasn't sure if maybe this went on another necklace, but it is beautiful. I did see a few of these online, and you know, it's all over the place. No one's sure what age it is since there's no markings, but it is beautiful. So we can go ahead and do this 18-inch necklace for 10. Okay, so that was in the box with the Stella and Dot. That's why I thought it was Stella and Dot at first, but after my research, I don't believe so. So here we go. We have a multi-strand Stella and Dot. Let me get that laid out correctly for you. Isn't that lovely? So you've got blues, brass tones, looks like sodalite, and then some acrylics. Really beautiful piece. And it's multi-strand. It is, let's see, 16 inches. Yes, 16 inches. So if you needed it longer, you could always put an extender on it. So for this Stella and Dot, we'll do 15. It's lovely. Let me bring those colors up so you can see them. Really pretty. All right. Next necklace is silver tone. This is lots of multi-strands in this. Okay. So here we have little spikes. There's rhinestones and little like teardrop shapes. I have it fully extended. There is no maker's mark on this. The levels are 18 to, excuse me, are 16 inch, 18 inch, and 20 inch. On this silver tone rhinestone unbranded necklace, we can do, let's do 6. This is lovely. I'm not positive who made it. So it has the dot on back, kind of like Stella and Dot, but I could not find this exact necklace. So you rotate between green and a smoky. Here is the back here. And then on this side, you also have the blue, the smoky, and that beautiful like peridot color. It is really long. It measures in at 34 inches. Excellent condition. We'll go ahead and do that for 6. Okay. Lots of necklaces today. So then we've got a new, on the card, multi-strand. I managed to get it all tangled again. Let me get that untangled here. All right. Try to get it untangled. If I have to, I'll take it off screen and start it back up here. Okay. I got it most of the way. So there we go. So it's multi-strand with really pretty faceted stones. It was $29.50 when it came out. We will go ahead and do this gorgeous, gorgeous loft 3-layer necklace for 10. Lovely. Another necklace, another multi-strand. So it's gold tone with purple dangles. These are acrylic. This one does not have a maker's mark either, but it is just so beautiful. And the measurements are 16 and 20 on this one. Does have the extender. Go ahead and do 6 on this. All right. I think this is my favorite necklace out of the bunch. So let me show this here. So we have plain, then we have rhinestone, 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 rinse and repeat. This is Anne Klein. It is a lovely necklace. It is 42 inches. It has oranges, purples, and gold tone. And we can go ahead and do the Anne Klein. Let's do that for 15. It's beautiful. Absolutely lovely. All right. Then we have cake. We all can have cake, right? Created by Ali Khan exclusively. Dangle earrings. These are beautiful colors. Purples with like an Aurora Borealis on it. Nice earrings. New on the card. And these, we could do, let's do 6. All right. I think these are fun. Audra style. I had never heard of this company before. So let me bring that up. So it's blue and white. Now these are wood. I was looking on their website and they said they're made of coconut, wood, and brass tone. These sell on their website for $42 and they are 3 inches. We'll go ahead and do these for 10. Aren't those fun? New name to me. Okay, I'm going to move you guys down a little bit for this. Okay, so they came in this gorgeous suede bag. Shashi, I'd never seen them before. I looked them up. They are a beautiful gold tone, really sparkly earring. There's no markings on the back of the earrings. I did have to do a deep dive into this to see that they were sold by Shashi. So these are faux pearl gold tone earrings in the suede bag. I'll include them back in their bag. It is $18. Oh, I found another necklace. See, I told you, lots of necklaces. So this is Madewell. This is a bright gold tone, and it is a toggle necklace. I'll lay that down there for you. So this necklace measures in at 20 inches, and it is brand new looking. We'll go ahead and do that for 6. Okay, then we got another Bella and Jack. This one is new on the card. So here we have, where'd it go? 5 layers, as I say. Wait a minute, we're missing a layer. Here we go. So we have a multi-strand adjustable bracelet. I love this navy blue. I think they're just beautiful. And what's nice is it's adjustable. We'll go ahead and do that for $8. Okay, I'm gonna get to the ring sizer here. Hint, hint. So we got 3 more pieces. So this is an adjustable, new on the card, Ann Taylor Loft piece. Isn't that pretty? It's like a Madeira citrine color. It is adjustable. So it's sitting, if you just naturally put it on, about a 6 1/4, but it is a stretchy. So you could probably go up to about maybe a 9 before it might start pinching your skin a little bit there. But isn't that a pretty faceted acrylic ring? So for this one, we can go ahead and do 6. Okay, this one is beautiful as well. So we have shell and sterling silver. It is marked 925. It is absolutely just a beautiful ring. And let me show you what it looks like on the finger. So pretty. I love that. So for this ring, it's a size 8 and it's sterling. We can go ahead and do 15. All right, I'm going to put that in the little ring holder. And the last piece came in this green bag, JAI. I know this company. I have bought from this company before. So this is sterling silver. It is beautiful. And at first I was like, I know that they're supposed to be sterling. I tested it as sterling, but I was looking for the 925 mark. It's way in there. So it is absolutely stunning. It is 14 grams. It's 7 inches. And these are selling brand new for almost $200. But for you guys, I will go ahead and do $100. So what do you think? What's your favorite piece? Let me move you guys up a little bit. Excuse me. See, I'm getting all choked up. All right, so my favorite piece, okay. Well, I love sterling. We all know that. But my favorite piece is the Anne Klein. I absolutely love this. And I like this Bella and Jack. I just think it's so interesting. So you guys let me know in the comments what's your favorite piece. And if you've ever bought a ThredUP box. And if so, was it pretty decent? And did you find any treasures? All right, you guys. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And make sure that you guys hit that thumbs up and subscribe. And welcome to my new subscribers. So as I end every video, I want to say be well, take care, and tell someone you love them today. All right, you guys. I'll talk to you later. Don't forget the green screen is next with the ordering instructions. Bye.